In this video, we will show you how to create and maintain a postcode matrix. You will need your fixed prices to hand. To create a new matrix, click on the Matrix tab in Admin. Right-click anywhere within the white lined area and select New Matrix. Add a name for your matrix. Make this memorable so it's easy to find later on. In this example, we'll be creating a saloon postcode matrix. You want to make sure that the status is set to active and the charge by is set to pounds. Make sure you also tick Allow Reverse Matching. Now, you need to select Multi-Pickup Matching Rule. The first option is Do Not Allow Multi-Pickup Chaining. This option will not allow any multi-pickups. If there is one or more vias, then the fare will be calculated by mileage. The second option is Strict Multi-Pickup Chaining. This option means that all legs of the journey must be in the matrix. If one leg is missing, then the whole journey will revert back to mileage. The third option is Flexible Multi-Pickup Chaining. This means that all matching legs will be read from the matrix and non-matching ones will use mileage. It will then add both the fixed prices and the mileage charges together to form the fare. Select the one that you wish to use. You are now ready to start adding fixed prices into the matrix. Right-click anywhere within the grey area at the bottom of the matrix, and for the first time, select New Pickup and Destination. Enter a full or partial postcode. Here we are going to enter Codex postcode. You can see for partial postcodes we can use CB, CB2, CB24, CB244, or the full postcode. If the OK button stays greyed out, then you are entering an invalid postcode. Check the postcode and try again. Make sure the postcodes that you add here match the postcodes within the operator program. They must be exact. As an example of this, I searched Google for Stansted. You can see that it came up with a different postcode than the one that's in the Cordic database. Always check the address in the operator program, especially when using full postcodes. Press OK to save. This will add the postcode as both a pickup and a destination. Right-click over the green area on the right and select Add Destination. Now enter your second postcode. Here we are using the postcode for Stansted Airport. Once this is added, delete the last destination postcode by right-clicking in the green area and selecting Delete Destination. To add your fixed fare, right-click in the white box and select Set Value of Selected Cells. Now enter the price and press OK to save. You must enter at least one value per column or row or it will be deleted from the matrix when you save. You can keep adding to your matrix by right-clicking the green boxes and selecting either a new pickup or new destination. When you're finished, press OK to save. Your matrix is now ready to be added to your job types. You can easily change or increase your fixed prices by double-clicking the matrix. If you want to change a specific journey, you can do this by clicking on the binoculars for either the pickup postcode or the drop-off postcode. This will bring up all the journeys within that postcode area. You can then delete the postcode by right-clicking and selecting Delete Pickup or Destination. To change or delete the price, highlight the cell. Right-click and select Set Value of Selected Cells. Enter the new price or delete the price to remove the fixed fare. If you wish to increase all fares within the matrix, you could do this by exporting the matrix to a CSV file. Open the file within Excel and make any changes and then import the CSV file back into the matrix. Once you're sure the prices are correct, press Save. If the matrix is already in a job type, the changes will take place immediately. You should now be able to create and maintain a matrix. If you're still having problems after watching this video, then please call or email support as appropriate to your support contract. But make sure that you've checked the basics first. Thanks for watching.